My name is Nurani Tri Astuti, student ID number 1900032131. 7 major principles of Islamic banking and finance. Definition: Islam has set value and goals that meet all the economic and social requirements of the human life. Islam is a religion that not only focuses on the success of the afterlife, but also organizes the life of a person perfectly. Due to the reason here discussed, the 7 major principles of Islamic banking and finance. 1. Profit and loss sharing. It is one of the best principles of Islamic finance where the partners will share their profit and loss according to the part they played in the business. There will be no guarantee and the rate of the return that the Muslim will play the part of the partner and not a creditor. To assert risk in the economic transaction, the risk sharing is promoted by Islamic banking when two or more parties will share the risk following the principle of Islamic banking, the burden of the risk will be divided and recorded in the parties, so it will improve the economic activity of the state. 3. Riba. It can be regarded as the prohibited of interest. The world will get the return without any risk of effort regardless of the outcome of economic activity. The person who gets the loan has to return the money and riba to the lender. In principle of Islamic banking, taking an advantage of the issues then that order are facing in adjust. For gathered according to the Islamic finance principle, Muslims are not allowed to participate in the ambiguous and uncertain transaction according to Islamic rules, but parties should have a proper control over the business, as well as the complete information should be shared with both parties so that the profit and loss will be equal shared. 5. Gambling. In Islam, the acquisition of the wealth through evil means of participation in gambling is prohibited. It will protect the Muslim from the conventional insurance product because that is a type of gambling. On the other hand, Islamic banking works in the kaful that involves mutual responsibility and shared risk. 6. No investment in prohibited industries. The industry that are harmful to society or have added to the social responsibilities are prohibited in Islam. They include pornography, prostitution, alcohol, pork, drug. 7. Zakat. There is property tax included in the rules of Islam that income a zakat, which allows the balanced distribution of wealth according to the Islamic banking principle. The fair amount of zakat is deducted from the account of Muslim in the holy month of Ramadan, and banks promote the social responsibility and distribute the amount among the needy. Thank you.